In this video, I'm going to show you how to send a single message to a contact in our system. Now, a lot of the messages that you'll be sending through SalesPype will be part of a campaign that has multiple contacts on it. But there are times where you're just going to be communicating back and forth with a single contact. So let me show you how you do that. Now, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go over here and just pull up a sample contact. And we will grab this one here, Julie Doe, as an example. So let me click here. And now that is going to bring up this contact screen. And at this point, I have the ability to send a single email to Julie, a single text message, a single ringless voicemail, or an MMS. And in order to do that, all I need to do is click one of these buttons, depending on the communication medium that I plan on using. So if I wanted to send her an email, I would just simply click email, and then just begin typing it out. So here's my subject line. And under email address here, it really doesn't matter what you choose. I typically just choose the first one. And then you're going to type your message. You got your message good to go. You just hit send. And now you have sent this contact an email. And it will start appearing in your conversation history here. So it's pretty straightforward and simple. You just got to pull up the contact, choose how you want to communicate with them, and you can do it right here from this screen. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out, but as long as you follow the instructions of this video, you should be good to go. Take care.